Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you do hear some noise in the background, my son is watching a show so that I can go ahead and record this video because I wanted to give you guys an update on what I've been sewing. I've been sewing these non-stop. From what you guys like, I will show you guys clips of my process and how each time I sew them it has improved. But I wanted to come on here and just tell you guys like what I've learned, and that I'm actually gonna take a break from these because I still don't feel like I got them right. I feel like I'm close, but I need a break from sewing these, and I'm gonna go ahead and move on to another item that I wanted to sew right. Let's go on to the video and I'll show you guys clips. And okay, so here I'm just switching over to a voiceover just to kind of show you guys the three steps that it took for me to find, you know, a better fitting shorts. This is the first muslin I have made, including this one. I have made 1, 2, 3 muslins. Okay, so this time I took it really serious. I sewed it, I took my time, I ironed it, and this is like a regular day of me sewing. My door, like I've mentioned before, usually stays open, and my kids just come in and out, asking for things, needing me. So I usually just leave it open, and I So here I'm doing the waistband, and I will say that the waistband has actually been the hardest part for me to sew. But like I said, I was taking it very seriously, ironing everything, taking my time, just really appreciating the process of trying to make something to actually fit. And it was really rewarding, you know. Here I was trying to see what to do, and I didn't understand how to do this, so I went and I looked at the instructions. I do have the instructions opened for me throughout this first time, and I thought I kept looking at them just to make sure that I was doing everything right, that it looked neat. Just trying to be patient with it. This part was actually pretty funny. My daughter came in and saw that I was recording and decided upon herself to make her own little 30-second video. So here she's talking to you guys of, I guess, her 7-year-old life. She got this thing for Christmas and she's smiling at the camera, and I just thought it was cute. She started going through my drawer and started taking everything out. Needless to say, I was so in the zone of sewing. I didn't realize that she did this, and it was just cute. Apparently she's saying bye now. Bye. Bye-bye. And she's back to show off some shoes. And she finally left, I guess. Yes, very silly. And I already put in the zipper, and now I am pinning the waistband to the shorts. Like I said, this part was actually difficult. So now I went ahead and sewed the waistband, and I made some mistakes, but this was the result of that. Like, it was really, really tight. It did not fit me. It was just not flattering and made me look heavier than what I actually am. So I went back to the drawing board and I decided to lengthen the shorts and to length. So I didn't size up. I just added some length to them, to both the front and the back, and then I added length to the crotch area. And I kept in mind of how I wanted these shorts to fit me. It's so funny now that I'm looking at this video because I've lost weight this month, and even looking at this video is like, oh yeah, I'm wearing the same shirt and it doesn't fit me like that. Anyways, back to what I'm saying. Yeah, so I added length to them, and I added in the crotch area, and I took about an inch off the waistband, and I went to cut it. I was like, oh, it'll fit me now. I think it'll be fine. And I went to use my actual fabric that I wanted. And if you guys saw my previous video, then you guys saw that this was not as awesome as I would have hoped. But I'm glad that I did this, because it really, again, this process really teaches you to just appreciate everything that goes into making right clothing pieces, and pieces that you're actually going to wear, not just sew together on a limb and hope for the best. This process just made me appreciate it. But here we go. I know these pictures are not the best, but if you really want to see them, you guys can check out my video. The video link will be in the description box below. So I did not like how they fit. They were too big. They were too wide and just chunky, you know? Yeah, chunky. And I just didn't like them. I didn't feel confident in them, so I decided to go ahead and seam rip them. And I sewed, what is that called? Darts, but they were way too big. So I just said, I'm gonna take it apart, and I fixed it, but I wasn't going to be able to recreate them, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted to recreate them. You know, you guys understand what I'm saying? I don't know. So I redid them, and this is the new improved version. I updated the darts. I took out a little bit out of the crotch area. I did not make them shorter. I kept the length the same. I just made the dart better, and I made them thinner. I made the front thinner. So the back of the shorts ended up staying the same. It's really the front where a lot of the problem areas were. So I started sewing it, and by this point, I did not need to look at the, what is that called? I did not need to look at the pattern or the picture anymore, because I kind of already figured out how to sew them. So again, this whole process just made me appreciate this pattern so much, because I can sew it together now. The only area where I had trouble with was the end, and that was with the hook and eye. And the waistband, I should have straightened out the waistband better, but I left it curved by a lot, and it didn't align with the shorts, which is fine, because when I put them on, you can't really tell. But I should have, and I know now for next time. But as of right now, I'm gonna take a break from sewing these shorts. Simply because I'm ready to take a break from them, and this is the result. So you guys just watched the final product. Those are the shorts and what they look like right now. Would I wear it? Yes.
I am not super happy with them, but I'm happy with the amount of energy that I put towards them. So I'm going to move on to sew a next item until I get that one right, or until I basically get sick of it, and then it's like, okay, moving on to another item, and I'll come back to it. And I think that's just how I'm going to go, so that I can really understand and keep learning. Cause
this one really taught me about my measurements and how to size things and how to pinch here and pinch there and sew and pin and redraw and cut, and you know, and they fit me so much better, but it's not the fit that I want just yet. It was just nice. So thank you to all the ladies that commented in my previous video. I can hear you guys rooting for me. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Oh, real quick, I do have some new subscribers, so thank you to those who subscribed in from my previous videos. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I'm literally just a couple people short of hitting 400 subscribers, and that is so exciting for me. I never even thought I would get one. So that is so awesome. That is a baby milestone. If you've seen my my mood board, my vision board, you know that that's a really baby mini milestone. But no matter how small the goal, you have to celebrate it. And I don't know what to do for 400 subscribers. That's really exciting though. Like, that's exciting, you know, to have 400 subscribers. Wow. If you don't own this pattern or you are interested in this pattern, I will put the information down in the description box below. Thank you guys again so much. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you so much to the subscribers that stay. Oh my God, that is so awesome. Thank you so much. Nothing but good vibes, okay? Bye.